Hi, my name is Dan. Before I started my IT online learning journey, I was working in retail. I'd started as a sales assistant, worked my way up until I was an area and operations manager. In hindsight, I probably have been relatively unhappy and unfulfilled there for the last couple of years. Then COVID hit, and like many people, I was furloughed for several months, which turned out to be a blessing in disguise. It gave me an opportunity to think about what I might want to change, whether I could change career tracks, and in the course of looking into that, I found the IT online learning packages. After looking through, I found that the project management route really appealed to me, and I signed up fairly quickly and got started on my journey. For me, I really liked the project simulation part, so getting into character and starting to imagine how I might tackle a problem using the things that we'd learned was really interesting. Features that I think really added and gave me the most was probably working through the project fundamentals qualification. It gave a good overview and grounding that's definitely served me well from that point onwards. In terms of how it helped me grow professionally, getting those base foundation qualifications gave me a good foot in the door and a starting point to move forward. In terms of personally, I realised I could do it, so I managed to pass exams that hadn't done any sort of formal learning for a long time, and it gave me a level of confidence that I'd made the right decision to move forward in a different career direction. Through a friend of a friend, found a project management company, a consultancy, who were fairly local to me. They're an SME, so when I started there was around 15, 16 people in the company, and it's been just over 3 years. I've been with the same company. Part of what's great is because they're a consultancy, you end up working with different clients in different areas and getting to experience and use all of the knowledge and skills you've built up. A big plus was that they are a APM registered training company. They like to put all their people through those APM courses, and I had the benefit of going in having already done the PFQ, and it gave me a good foundation to move forward and get the PMQ, which is the next level up. In terms of typical days at work, it can vary client to client, and obviously now a large part of working is working from home. But typical days, I like to start around 8:30, grab yourself a coffee, get settled down and start to work through any emails that you might want to catch up on, check what the meeting schedule for the day ahead looks like, and then add in or arrange any meetings that came off the back of any emails. In my current contract, I work for a London-based high-end auction house, and there we like to have a daily stand-up every day, 11 a.m, so that we can have that sort of connection and catch up, even working from home, cover off any items that we may need help with, and sort of help us plan out each day accordingly. I would definitely recommend IT Online Learning to either friends or family. It was good because I knew I wanted to change career track, but I didn't know exactly where, and I also didn't know, even if I did choose, what would be a good grouping of qualifications that would help me get a head start on that as well. So the bundles and collected courses is a really good way to do that. And support was great. They weren't intrusive. If you needed help, you could reach out to them, but they would let you follow your own timelines and self-learning journeys as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them, and